Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. For the past 16 years, we've been crafting versatile Excel tools that are built to help you automate processes, reduce errors, and improve operational efficiency. Today, I want to showcase something really special. Our Google API Store Locator tool designed right in Excel. This unique tool is a standout for businesses that need to connect to a list of clients with the nearest store based on distance. Let me explain a bit about how our Store Locator software works. Imagine you have a list of stores in different states, each with a specific address. You don't have to worry about the latitude and longitude, as the tool will automatically generate that for you. You also have a list of customers, each needing to be directed to the nearest store. Our tool makes this match happen effortlessly. On the customer sheet, we list our customers by name, which in this case I named them Customer 1 to Customer 10, though only the address is necessary for matching purposes. Once you input this data, simply click Calculate. The tool then does the magic, automatically finding the nearest store for each customer. For instance, it'll show that the closest store for Customer 1 is Store 10, located just 14.3 driving miles away, or 10.1 miles in straight line distance, with an approximate drive time of 17 minutes. The process is similar for other customers, matching each to their nearest store, like Customer 2 to Store 6, and so on. This tool isn't just a convenience, it's a major time saver, especially when you're dealing with large numbers, like 100 stores and 3,000 customers. It allows you to match customers to stores over and over again, effortlessly and accurately, saving you time and enhancing customer service. Every week, we hear from customers who tell us how our tools have changed the way they work. These stories inspire us to keep creating tools that really make a difference. We have over 7,500 happy customers, from small businesses to big companies, and we've received more than 120 five-star Google reviews from people happy about how our tools have made their jobs easier. Some of our ideas for new tools actually come from these customers, and it's great to be able to create what they need. It feels good to know that our tools are not just useful, but also sparking new ideas for how we can keep improving. If you have any questions or need more specific tools, feel free to reach out. We're just a phone call or an email away, and you don't have to deal with any answering services. When you call, you'll speak directly with Vinny, the founder of Excel Distance Calculators. You can download the Store Locator from the link below to make your business operations as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our new tools. See you next time.